Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is income statement. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is income statement? An income statement is a financial statement that shows you the company's income and expenditures. It also shows whether a company is making profit or loss for a given period. The income statement along with with balance sheet and cash flow statement helps you understand the financial health of your business. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on what is income statement is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.